Claude Opus 4.8 plus NotebookLM is a game changer. 2A is 1 workflow, unlimited content. Claude Opus 4.8 is smarter than ever, NotebookLM turns research into gold, and together they're a total game changer. Most people still do SEO the slow, painful way. We don't. Stay till the end because I'll show you exactly how to use both tools to grow something like the AI Profit Boardroom fast. Today we're talking about something that's genuinely changing how content gets made. Claude Opus 4.8 and NotebookLM used together. This isn't a theory video. This is a real workflow I'm going to walk you through step by step. 3 steps: research, design, build. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use this to grow your business, get more traffic, and stop wasting hours on content that doesn't rank. Let's get into it. So first, why does Claude Opus 4.8 actually matter? Because it's not just smarter, it's more honest. Most AI tools just make stuff up. They sound confident, they sound right, but the facts are wrong. Claude Opus 4.8 flags when it's not sure. It tells you what it doesn't know, and that's huge for SEO because Google rewards trust, and trust means getting facts right. Does big, complex tasks better than before. You can give it a long brief, and it actually follows it start to finish. Think of it like having a researcher, a writer, and a strategist all in one who actually reads your instructions. For growing a community like the AI Profit Boardroom, that's massive. You need content that's accurate, targeted, and built to convert, and Claude Opus 4.8 does exactly that. Now, NotebookLM. This one is seriously underrated, and most people haven't heard of it, which is a big mistake. Here's what it does. You upload your own documents, your research, your notes, your data, and then you ask it questions, and it only answers from what you gave it. No random internet hallucinations, no made-up stats, just your sources summarized and organized. It can build mind maps, write summaries, pull out key ideas, and even create audio overviews. Think of it this way. Claude is the brain, and NotebookLM is the filing cabinet that talks back. Together, they're unstoppable. Here's the workflow, and it's simple. 3 steps. Step 1 is AI research with Claude. Step 2 is turning that research into a focused tool with NotebookLM. Step 3 is building the final product with Claude. That's it. Research, design, build. You can use this for blog posts, landing pages, content calendars, email sequences, YouTube scripts, anything. Let me walk you through each step using the AI Profit Boardroom as a real example so you can see exactly how this works in practice. Quick pause. If you're watching this, you're already thinking about using AI to grow your business. The AI Profit Boardroom is where that actually happens. It's a community built for people who want to use AI to grow faster without wasting time figuring it out alone. Inside, you get workflows exactly like this one, done-for-you prompts, real case studies, and a group of people who are actually implementing. If you want to use tools like Claude Opus 4.8 and NotebookLM to build and grow, this is where to do it. Link in the description, come join us. Now back to the workflow. Open Claude Opus 4.8 and give it a clear research brief. Here's the kind of prompt you'd use for the AI Profit Boardroom. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. It helps entrepreneurs automate their business with AI. Research the top search queries, content gaps, and audience pain points for this niche. Give me topic clusters, keyword angles, and competitor gaps. That's it, one prompt, and Claude goes deep. What comes back is gold. You get keyword clusters, you get content angles nobody's writing about, and you get gaps in what your competitors are doing. No more blank page, no more guessing, real research in minutes. And because Opus 4.8 thinks harder, not just faster, the output is more strategic than what you'd get from basic AI tools. Save that research output because you'll need it for step 2. Now take that research output from Claude, copy it, and paste it into NotebookLM as your source. NotebookLM only works from what you give it, so now it's locked into your AI Profit Boardroom research and nothing else. Then ask it something like this. Based only on this research, design one practical SEO tool for the AI Profit Boardroom. Give me the purpose, the features, who it's for, a usage example, and then write a detailed prompt I can paste into Claude to build it. This is where the magic happens. NotebookLM takes big, messy research and turns it into one clean, focused deliverable. Maybe it designs a keyword finder tool for AI entrepreneurs. Maybe it builds a content brief template for automation-focused posts. Maybe it creates a landing page brief that explains exactly why someone should join the AI Profit Boardroom. Whatever it produces is grounded in real research, and it hands you the exact next prompt to use in Claude. That's the loop. Research feeds design, and design feeds building. Take NotebookLM's output and paste it straight into Claude. Now ask Claude to build the thing. Let's say NotebookLM designed a landing page brief for the AI Profit Boardroom. You paste it into Claude and say, write a full landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. It should explain the value of AI automation, show why entrepreneurs need this community, and convert cold traffic into members. Make it punchy, simple, and persuasive. Claude builds it, full copy, headlines, subheads, bullet points, CTA, done. Or maybe you want a content calendar. Paste the brief, say, turn this into a 30-day content calendar for the AI Profit Boardroom with SEO-focused posts, YouTube ideas, and email topics, and Claude delivers. This is a system. 3 steps, repeatable, scalable, and it works every single time. Here's the thing most people miss. This system doesn't just work once, it scales. Pick 5 topic clusters, run all 3 steps for each one, and you've got a month of content in an afternoon. One session, 5 topic clusters, done. That's how you build authority fast. That's how you get Google to trust you. And that's how the AI Profit Boardroom grows consistently without burning out. Keep a library in NotebookLM with one notebook per project, reuse your Claude prompts, and version your research packs. This isn't a one-time trick, it's a content machine. Okay, real talk. AI doesn't rank on its own. You still need backlinks, you still need technical SEO, and you still need authority. But here's what changes. Before this workflow, you'd spend 4 hours writing one post. Now you produce 4 posts in an afternoon and they're better, more researched, more targeted. That means more shots at ranking, more content building authority, and more chances for links. AI doesn't replace the strategy, it multiplies the output. Use it right and you move faster than your competitors every single time. All right, we're almost done. If you want to use this exact workflow to grow your business, the AI Profit Boardroom is where it all comes together. Inside, you get the prompts, the SOPs, the workflows, and a community of people doing this every day with tools like Claude Opus 4.8 and NotebookLM used in real businesses for real growth. Join us, link is in the description. And if you want to start for free, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free community of over 67,000 members who are building with AI right now. You'll get the full notes from this video, prompts, templates, and over 100 use cases, plus access to a community of people who are genuinely crushing it with AI. Links are in the comments and description, go grab it. Now you know the system. 3 steps: research with Claude, design with NotebookLM, build with Claude. Go run it, pick a niche, pick a topic, and build something. Comment below and tell me what's the first thing you're going to build with this workflow. I read every single one. See you in the next one.